ambilkan pembalut di tasku ya.
They're talking about a boy.
You think?
I don't know.
What does that mean? You got in bed with lube, what, fell asleep? Twice?
Yes! Might be Dirty John if
you wear scrubs to a party.
tuxedo event.
He is giving like me coming off the Disney cruise in 3rd grade.
Because of the little braid?
The braids and the little shell necklaces and stuff.
Morning, Kathy.
Okay, hey, what are they?
I mean, come on now. Clearly.
Clearly what?
They're clearly white.
Okay, you can say it. Don't feel uncomfortable.
Wait, what did he say he wanted? I don't
Oh, no, we missed it. Oh, no.
I think he's saying woof.
No, but this is like, you've heard of Hot Frosty. This is that.
Hot
Darvis. She's nuts.
Oh, shit! Oh, why did just the door open?
Why is everybody like Draco Malfoy?
Because they're blonde.
Come on, man.
I'm in mistletoe mode right now.
Yeah, that's a red flag in a dad.
Yeah. It's such a red flag.
Desperate for treasure. No, she's doing exactly what I said.
Yes! Yes! Yes.
May I request Ace of Base?
Your body.
You're allowed. Me during quarantine, fully untouched by man. Yeah, nor woman.
What? I'm sorry. What is happening in this? She's dancing with the ghost of her alive husband.
It's a police report where she's this prime suspect in his death. You got a train robbery in progress. Oh, shit. Bang, bang, bang. We need Dirty John roller coaster.
The Dirty John the Betty Broderick coaster.
Obviously, it's going to be the sledding one.
Julian, not until the end.
What if, no, what if
You think she has kids or
he
left her?
I did not sign up for this.
I did not sign up for this.
Hang
I
it
really
out.
want to know if a single person has ever watched this show.
He's been an imaginary friend this whole time.
He never existed.
Can I ask you a question?
Of course, yeah.
What's cancer?
What's cancer?
No way! Are you fucking kidding me? He did not say exactly what I just fucking said. I want
Miller Lite,
I'm gonna
Dirty John,
I'm
Betty
gonna open-
Blonde.
No. Dirty John, Betty Blonde. Actually, no, it's a very diverse Darbus group.
It's a,
This is Darbus No Way Home. Jack Frost on the multiverse of Darbus. That's kind of scary. Are they in there screaming? Help!
You can go melt in a jail cell. What do I care?
Glinda be like.
literally. Come on, wicked witch.
He was John B's bravery, Kiara's love, just a figment of what they needed
Pope's
in
wisdom.
their life. Pope's wisdom.
I had a dream I was blowing up balloons just like this.
Sabtu malam, 7 September.
They just said September. Tupac is about to die.
No, she's gonna see it.
Tupac Shakur.
This is
No!
happening. Tupac.
He just said it. Holy fuck! This entire commentary track for this episode is us just coming up with products.
We haven't watched the show.
Who cares? Who cares about the show? Look at the shortest man in the world in the background.
I see him.
You've heard of Tall Girl. Oh, he looked at us when we said that.
I know. I know.
I do not remember that.
The big twist. This is exactly what I.
And meanwhile, your dad tried to kill you.
Oh shit.
Honestly, that's really like,
True.
why would she be cool with that?
Okay, I do not want you to laugh at this.
Oh God.
Come
Don't
on.
Say it.
Come on. You cannot tell me.
What?
She doesn't look like Kamala Harris. Black right there. Come on. Come on. Come on.
All right, I'm looking her up. Hold on. Is Lacey Chavert black? It showed us her hair color. What is
Is
that?
he eating ice
Is
cream?
that ice cream?
Oh my god, it looked like a big
It
fucking
looked
sundae.
like so much ice
State Fair Sunday.
Oh my god.
Which I
We
know-
are watching the unrated
I know.
version.
This one's rated R.
Yeah, and I waved at her.
Hopper, you waved at her. What part of me hiding my face?
I know she
Hopper?
saw us. I waved at her.
Jack, don't do this. You don't have to do this.
That guy's crying. There's a guy on the right that's fucking weeping. Look.
It's raining. What's the point of crying?
Alan, that's very me espresso of you.
My name is Betty. I'm here to say my husband is abusive in a major way.
Now that just has me wondering, perhaps Kevin Spacey possessed? Harvey Weinstein possessed? Should we re-examine some of our fallen heroes?
Doodle bip.
Jane found love. Maybe I will.
But sir, there's no other humans. I said what I said. Oh, he's terrified, Jillian.
What's going on?
I need $2,000 from you old bitches.
Everybody give me your money. We have to save the snowman.
I am the John Who Betty.